start TV.
Yay! Today we're going to have a super fun Peppa drawing episode.
That's right. Today I'm going to stay up all night and not go to sleep.
Oh no, that's not a good idea.
Oh, well, maybe we can play with the kids for a bit. They'll probably fall asleep quickly.
Dad, can I play on the bed?
Okay, George.
Oh, I think he could jump on the bed all night without sleeping.
George, how about we play a hide-and-seek under the blanket game?
Yay! That sounds fun!
All right, let's cover up and play hide-and-seek. Remember, stay very still, George.
I win! Nobody found me!
Oh no, he's even more awake than we are.
Mom, why do we need to sleep?
It's part of life's routine, sweetie.
Mom, then I'm going to change my routine.
Oh? How are you going to change it?
I'll play all day and all night, too. Yay! Stay up all night! Play all night!
Oh, that sounds pretty tiring, doesn't it?
No way! I won't get tired.
So, what do you want to play now? How about reading a book?
Okay, I also want to build puzzles, run around, and jump on the bed.
I have another idea. Mom and I will dress up as characters in a story.
Yay! I love playing dress up the most. Wow, really?
Then let's quickly dress up as some characters and go to sleep, okay?
Yes, I want to dress up as a beautiful princess.
Let's do Snow White. I'll be the king.
And I'll be Snow White.
Then I'll be the evil queen. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of them all?
Not you, Queen. Snow White is the prettiest.
Oh no! I hate Snow White. I must banish her forever.
What should I do? I need to find the 7 dwarfs for help. Oh, George, you are the 7 dwarfs. You have to say, "Welcome to our home, Snow White." But I'm just one of them. Mom, can I invite 6 friends over to play?
Oh no, we might have to stay up all night playing with them.
Oh, Snow White, who are you? I'm a beautiful princess. I'm hiding from the evil queen. Snow White, do you want to play jumping on the bed? Sure, let's play together.
This is so fun!
I don't want to stop either.
All right, it's time for Snow White to eat the apple and go to sleep. Mirror, mirror, where is Snow White?
Oh, Snow White is jumping on the bed with the 7 dwarfs. No, we will never eat the apple, and we'll play forever.
Hello, lovely little friends. I'm Tiana. Today, together with the Happy Coloring Squad, we're preparing a very special gift for Peppa. But what would Peppa like?
Yay, I really love cats. I really want a cute little kitten. All right then. Everyone and I will draw a cute little cat for you. First, I'm drawing a Christmas hat for the kitten. Peppa, what do you want to name the kitten? Naming the kitten? Let me think.
Peppa, do you want the cat to be named Tom?
Oh no, she's a girl cat. She's not Tom from the show Tom and Jerry. Then maybe we can name her Candy Cat. What do you think, Peppa? No, I want her fur to be pink. Then maybe we can name her Susie, because Susie also wears a pink dress, right, Peppa?
No way. If you name the cat Susie, every time you call Susie, I'll turn around and then realize you weren't calling me, you were calling the cat.
You're right. I want the cat to have her own name, so we don't get mixed up. Peppa, then what should we name the kitten? I'll name the cat Sally. What do you all think? Meow, meow, meow. Sally, your name is so cute. Yay, that's wonderful. Welcome to Peppa's Muddy Puddle World, Sally. Ta-da! I've finished drawing Sally. Tiana, help her open her eyes.
All right, a little magic to help Sally open her eyes.
Next, I'm going to draw a small present for Sally right here. Hello, Sally. I'm Peppa. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, what did she say? I don't understand anything. What do we do? She's a cat. She can't talk with us.
I think Tiana can help the cat talk.
That's right. Tiana is the best. Tiana, can you help Sally talk?
Of course. I'll use a little magic so Sally can talk right away.
Yay, Sally, I'm Peppa Pig.
Hola, Peppa, ¿cómo estás? Estoy tan feliz de hablar.
What did you say? I don't understand anything.
Oh, Sally is speaking Spanish. She is saying, "Hello, Peppa. How are you? I'm so happy to talk."
Hola, Sally. ¿Cómo estés? Estoy tan feliz de hablar.
Ay, perdón. Quiero decir que también puedo hablar en inglés. Miau, miau, miau.
She's saying, "Oh, sorry. I meant that I can also speak English. Meow, meow, meow."
And now I'm drawing a fireplace, which will keep Sally warmer in the winter. Sally, do you want me to draw a big Christmas tree next to the fireplace?
I'd love that. A big Christmas tree next to the fireplace would be perfect. Can you draw the ornaments too, Lily?
Sure. I'll draw the ornaments on the tree. Lily, what will you draw next? I'll draw a Christmas wreath here. What do you all think? Wow, that's a great idea. But I think you need to draw faster because Sally is getting very sleepy. Great! Now I'll outline everything we've drawn. Ready? Help me out.
Of course, Lily.
Perfect! Now it's time for us to help Lily color.
All right, first is the red Christmas hat. Color it carefully, Lily.
Okay, I'll color it evenly. Yay! Next must be pink, my favorite color. It's the perfect fur color for Sally. You're right. I'll color it pink now.
I'm sure Sally loves having soft, adorable pink fur.
I'll color the inside of Sally's ears purple. Next, I'll color her collar yellow and the little bell green. Next, I'll color the fireplace brown. Millie, I think the fireplace would look nicer in orange. Really? Then I'll color this part orange. Ready, where are you? Help Lily color faster.
I'm coming. Let's speed up.
Oh, Lily is coloring the bright yellow flames. That's right, Yeely. Next, I'll color the 2 fire logs brown. And now I'll color this area cyan.
Lily, color the Christmas stockings. I love stockings.
I'll color them red right now.
Awesome. Red makes the stockings really stand out for Christmas. Yes, you're always the best.
Yay! She's coloring the candles blue now. They look so pretty.
Next, I'll color the wreath green.
Oh, right. But I think it would be even better if it were made of broccoli.
No, Greenie, only you like broccoli. Sally doesn't.
I don't like broccoli, Greenie. I only like fish.
Hey, Sally, I think you need a Christmas wreath made of fish. Next, I'll color the Christmas tree green. Now I'll color the star and the small ornaments yellow.
Next, it's time for my red again.
Finally, I'll color the secret present Peppa prepared for Sally.
Everyone, let's help Lily color the present faster.
Okay, but what is it, Peppa?
It's a secret.
Meow, 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 meow.
Sally, please don't catch me.
This is so wonderful! Today we're going to have a really fun Peppa drawing episode.
Yay! Our whole family is going to the swimming pool, so keep watching. Wow! Then I'll start by drawing Peppa first. Very soon she will open her eyes and start talking to us.
Oh my, it's so hot today. I feel very hot and a little tired.
Don't worry, I've brought a cool solution.
Oh, thank you, Daddy Pig.